Every afternoon in St. Martin, a town in Trinidad and Tobago, Magdalena would stand outside a pharmacy, waiting for her dad to pick her up after school. Sometimes she had to wait more than an hour. She watched all the people coming and going from the pharmacy, and she wondered if those people loved Jesus. One afternoon, Magdalena had a question for her dad as she hopped into the car. "So many people come by the pharmacy," she said. "Can I share some mission tracts with them?" He was happy to hear that his daughter wanted to share Jesus with other people. "Yes, that's fine," he said. Her dad found some tracts about the love of Jesus, and Magdalena put them in her backpack when she went to school the next day. After school, she offered the tracts to people outside the pharmacy. "Hello, how are you?" she said. "Can I share with you this tract about the love of Jesus?" Everyone accepted the tract. Nobody could refuse one from her. When her dad came to pick her up, she happily announced that she had given away all the tracts. Magdalena took more tracts the next day and the next. When they ran low on tracts, her dad made copies on the printer at home. After a while, Magdalena noticed that a dentist passed by the pharmacy every afternoon on his way to the office. Every afternoon, she gave him a tract, and every time he took one. Magdalena told her dad about the dentist. "Daddy, can I talk to him about Jesus?" she asked. Her dad knew the dentist. "Sure, no problem," he said. The next day, Magdalena was waiting for the dentist when he walked by. "Do you have Jesus in your life?" she asked. The dentist was surprised by the question. He hadn't read the tracts the girl had given him. "I've heard about Jesus, but I don't believe in him," the dentist said. Magdalena was sad to hear that. "Do you have time to hear a Bible story?" she said. The man once again couldn't refuse the offer and invited her to come to his office the next day. Her dad gave permission for Magdalena to go to the dentist's office. That night, Magdalena asked her dad for some Bible verses about Jesus to share. She also had one more request. "The dentist doesn't have a Bible," she said. "Can I give him one?" Her dad found a brand new Bible. The dentist said, "Thank you," when Magdalena gave him the Bible the next afternoon. For the next month, Magdalena went to the dentist's office every day after school. She and the dentist read the Bible together and talked about the stories. Slowly, the dentist began to believe in Jesus. So Magdalena invited her new friend to go to church with her the next Sabbath. "Yes, I have time," he said. "I can go." Magdalena excitedly broke the news to her dad when he picked her up. "I invited the dentist to go to church with me, and he said yes," she said. On Sabbath, Magdalena and her mom and dad picked up the dentist on their way to church. "Your daughter is wonderful," the dentist told her parents. "Before, I didn't know anything about Jesus, but now I know him." Magdalena became a real missionary when she shared tracts with the dentist and told him about Jesus. She wants to live the rest of her life sharing Jesus with others.